A great project starts with a great open workspace. Whether you're recording meeting notes, writing a blog, planning an event, or really planning anything, getting started with Confluence Cloud is easy. Make a new blank page by clicking plus or the C key anytime you're on a Confluence page. Need some inspiration? There are plenty of best practice templates to get started quickly. From here, you can create tables to break down timelines, input any important background information, and drag and drop images and documents. Simple shortcuts let you input timelines and dates to keep the ball rolling on your project. Next, share your work by @mentioning all the contributors, from marketing to product and design, to notify them instantly. Invite anyone else to take a look too. All team members are notified whenever any changes are made, and all updates are stored automatically so that everyone stays on the same page. Start doing your best work with Confluence.